Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Mardatillah dengan NIM 076. Saya dari kelas 22B. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan hasil kerja saya yang berjudul tentang Loneliness of the Blind and the Visually Impaired. Next. Hello everyone, my name is Mardatillah. Currently, I am pursuing my students at Universitas Negeri Surabaya. Introduction yang opening, loudness of the blind on the visually impaired, and authors Ami Rokach, David Berman, and Alison Ross. Journal is from Tears in Psychology, year 2021. Mind fitness. Blind visually impaired participant respond. Lower emotional distress, social inadequacy, and social isolation, hunger, growth, and discovery, show resilience and adaptation, no different and alienation. Next. Summary record. CAT statement. This study compared the qualitative aspect of learners between blind visual individuals and the general population, finding significant difference across most dimensions and highlights resilience and personal growth among the visual impaired. Main findings. The study found the blind and visually impaired individuals experience less emotional distress, social inadequacy, and social isolation compared to general population. However, there is support higher on growth and self-discovery, which indication that despite the challenge of visual impairment, they are able to build resilience, adapt to their circumstances, and even find opportunities for personal development. Next. Objective statement. Request. The study asked how blind and visual impaired individuals experience loneliness compared to the general population, not in terms of how often or how intense it is, but in quality of their loneliness. Hypothesis. The research expect the blind and visually impaired participants would score higher on all 5 qualitative subclasses of loneliness, emotional distress, social inadequacy, growth and discovery, social isolation, and self-alienation than the general population. Important focus on the quality of loneliness, not just its frequency or intensity, so that visually impaired people can adopt and build resilience helps us understand loneliness as both a challenge and the opportunity for personal growth. Next, methodology. Research design. Develop comparative study with blog social approach, instrument, loneliness, questionnaire 20 35 subclasses, data collection done through page to page and phone interview to include blend participation. Sample total 1x7 participation. Blend visual impaired 5 people. General population 102 122 people. Age range maintain 18 until 5 years. Average 23 33 9 years. Gender both men and women with more friends. Next, conclusion. Unless of called a social epidemic is a serious issue for people with disabilities. This study highlights difference in how blended or visual environment in the general population experience loneliness on not only intercity but also the way it is felt. Next, key findings. Main reason: build visual invite participation, lower in emotional distress, social inadequacy, and social isolation, hunger in growth in discovery, so resilience and personal worth. No different in self-alienation. Implication: loneliness, the blend is different in quality, not always worse. Need for stronger social support and solution programs so their lesson on growth potential use for school, communities, and policies to build inclusive environment. Summary recap the study, main conclusion and prescriptions. Implication: loneliness, the blend, the different in quality, not always worse. Highlight to need exclusive school support and stronger community program so their resolution and growth, not just vulnerability, can guide school, communities, and policymakers to build inclusive environments. Future research explore difference between cognitive vs acquired blindness. Study the long-term impact of visual impairment of loneliness, include longer and more blind sample, more men and varied and groups compare with other modes of loneliness for their validation. Thank you for your attention and other in the present. Next. Thank you. Bye bye. Good day. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ini gimana selamat ini? Lupa mati nih. Pencet yang mana?